In today's video, I will walk you through how to convert Word document to Google Docs. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in with your Google account. This is where you can store and manage files online, including Word documents you want to convert. Once you are inside Google Drive, click New, then select File Upload, and choose your Word document from your computer. After it uploads, you will see it appear in your Drive list. Next, right-click the uploaded file and choose Open with Google Docs. The document will automatically convert and open in Google Docs, where you can edit it. Give it a moment to load while the formatting is adjusted. When you are ready, go to the File menu and select Save as Google Docs to finalize the conversion. This ensures your file is fully in Google Docs format and ready to use or share. That is how you convert a Word document into Google Docs quickly and easily. Thank you for watching the video.